So if you're like me, you're always in a hurry, possibly running late a lot, this is where this straightener really saves the day, because it has a turbo boost feature where you can push the very top button and it will heat all up to 410 degrees directly instead of having to go through each temperature. And it also can heat up in 30 seconds. And who doesn't love that, to get you out of the door earlier in the morning when you're going crazy? So I am always on the road, and so I am often traveling with any kind of hair tools that I may have on me, and this one is my newest travel buddy because it has this really cool button. It is a hinge lock, so all you do is push that into place and it actually stays shut. So there you have it. You don't have as big of a bulky thing to travel with, and it actually stays placed. So also, whenever I'm straightening my hair, I sometimes get caught up in the cord of the tool, but this guy is pretty cool. This cord actually goes in complete 360 circles, so it doesn't ever get caught, doesn't get tangled, doesn't get in my way. I can just keep on straightening along my merry little way, and I have no difficulties with the cord. So that's a game changer for me. Another great feature about it is that it will shut off after an hour of being on, which is a comfort to me because I get a little crazy sometimes. I'm running late, got a million things going on, flight to catch, whatever, photo shoot to be at, and then I'll remember later that I didn't turn off my straightener. Well, have no fear because Mrs. Remington will turn off for you, so you're safe and sound. So no worries there. So not only does it create great results, but it is also safe.